class. How are you today? I hope you're doing great this week and that you are ready to continue with the farm animals. Today, we're going to learn something very cool and important about the farm animals. But first, remember we always start with a song. Are you ready? Has something to do with the farm. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. Good morning. Welcome to the farm. Come meet our friends. They all live in the barn. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. How do you do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Do-do-do-do. 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 Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, Mr. Sheep. How do you do? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Good morning, Mr. Pig. How do you do? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
Excellent, everybody. Now we are ready to start. Well, I'm going to leave you with a short video, like last class video, about missing animal from the farm. Okay? Pay very close attention. These are new animals, and you have to remember to speak it out loud. What animal do you think the person is drawing?
Hey, where are you going? Hello, what's your name? Hello, I'm Horse.
Hello, horse.
Hey, where are you going? Hello, what's your name?
Oink, oink. Hello, I'm Pig. Hello, Pig.
Hey, where are you going?
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
Hello,
Farmer takes the
what's your
wife,
name?
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho,
Hello,
the dairy-o, the
I'm
wife takes the
Cow.
child. The
Hello,
child
cow.
takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
Excellent, everybody. I'm pretty sure you guessed all the animals. Now, are you ready to learn about what do we get from the animals of the farm? This is a very important topic we're going to talk today about. And as you know, we humans create things, items, food, whatever you need. We get it from the plants, we get it from the animals, and we get it from other materials we find in the nature, right? But today we're going to talk about what do we get from the animals, specifically from the farm animals. So, what do you guys think we humans can get from a cow? Have you ever wake up, go to the kitchen, and make yourself a bowl of cereal with a little bit of milk? Perfect. Well, that's what we get from the cows. I'm going to leave you a short video about what do we get from the farm animals. Pay very close attention because we're going to talk about these on the Zoom class, okay?
What do farm animals give us? What do goats give us? Goats give us wool, butter, milk, cheese, and yogurt. What do sheep give us? Sheep give us wool. What do cows give us? Cows give us milk, butter, cheese, and yogurt. What do chickens give us? Chickens give us eggs.
Excellent, everybody. Now you know what do we get from the farm animals. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did and that you keep practicing your vocabulary, guys. Remember, always to practice a lot. This was it for today's video. It was a very short video, but we're going to keep talking about this topic on the Zoom class. Remember that. I send you a lot of kisses, guys. Thank you for joining me today and see you in another video. Bye!